Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to show you how to fix when the sound from your earbuds shutters or is intermittent. Firstly, we need to check for updates, so open XIAOMI Earbuds application, and of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see the same menu and you need to scroll down. Right here we have update firmware. Firmware is the same as software. The most important that you need to sign in into your account, because without it you cannot check for updates or update software version. Then you just tap, and if you enter inside, it means that you have update and you need to update. If you have only this information, it means that you have the latest software version. Next step is to disable dual connection. So you need to go to additional settings, and right here we have dual connection. So if it enabled, just tap one time at the slider and you will disable it. If it also didn't help you, next one is to perform a soft reset. You need to put your earbuds to the charging case, then close the case, and now your earbuds will disconnect it from your phone. So after that, we can also check it in the settings. If you have iOS, you will see this information. It's do not connect it. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. After that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Then check it. And the last one, if all of these methods didn't help you, I recommend you to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put both of your earbuds to the charging case and then do not close the case. Inside of the case we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED lights start blinking orange. So press and hold. Firstly it starts blinking white because it's entered stuttering mode. Don't worry, just keep holding this button. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and then we need to reconnect these earbuds with your phone. So at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds, then forget and forget. Now, if you have Android, click pair new device at the top if your phone have this button. But if you have iOS, you need to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth. And after factory reset, these earbuds enter stuttering mode automatically. So you need to tap on them at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!